Nyambe Kids.
Hi friends, I am Tamilo. Today, let's sing and dance to a Zimbabwean traditional rainmaking song of the Karenga Shona culture. Are you ready to clap and dance? Let's go!
Shembereze mande kumarinda
Nyambe Studios.
Shembereze mande kumarinda.
Shembereze mande kumarinda
Shembereze mande.
Shembereze mande
Shembere.
Zemande kumapako
Shembere. Iya, kirikida.
Ia kikira Mururu kumarinda
Danza mururu kumapako. Danzwa mururu kumakomo.
Jo
Iya, kikida.
Shembereze mande mvura ngainaye Nyambiki
Shembereze mande mvura mainaye.
Nainaye
Tikowe.
Nainaye mvura timwe Nainaye mvura tikowe Nainaye mvura timwe Shemande naye Shemande mvura ngainaye Nainaye Tag share
Thank you for watching! If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share to help us grow. Bye!
Nyambi Kids.